Good day, everyone. Thank you for being here. We're excited to present our pitch deck, showcasing our innovative solution to the problem of Wawa Idus Bloomingfield Resort. Our team has developed an online booking that meets market needs and stands out competitively. In the next few minutes, we'll cover the problem, some scenarios, our solutions, value proposition, impact, how the online booking works, and the target market.
Idus Bloomingfield Resort. So this is the logo. So
I will now discuss the problem. So first, 28 resort hotels have their own websites, while the remaining 89 do not. Second, inconvenient and overlapping in reservation. Third, the manual reservation.
So let's proceed to the user's journey. The scenario first is that Sarah, a traveler, is planning a weekend getaway to the Cagayan Valley region. She is looking for a relaxing resort with a beauty scenery. So first one is that Sarah searches for a resorts online, but many lack websites and online booking. So calling a resort, she finds a busy line.
Second, Sarah finds a resort without online booking, waits on hold, and learns it's fully booked. Checking other dates is slow due to manual searching. Third, Sarah's frustration grows as she faces full bookings and slow manual reservation processes at multiple resorts. Fourth, Sarah cancels her Cagayan Valley weekend getaway due to booking difficulties. So, our team came up with a solutions. Online reservation system powered by technology for faster, easier, and more secure bookings, providing a modern, efficient, and stress-free booking experience. Online reservation system designed to enhance your experience with user-friendly solutions, providing a safe and secure booking experience.
Next is value proposition. Problem: out of 117 resort hotels, only 28 have websites, leaving 89 without online presence. This lack of online booking options, coupled with inconvenient and overlapping manual reservation systems, creates a frustrating experience for travelers. Next is the solutions. Wawa Idus Bloomingfield Resort launches a new user-friendly online booking system for faster, easier, and more secure reservations, prioritizing a modern, efficient, and stress-free experience for guests. Next is impact. Wawa Idus online booking system can boost bookings, improve customer satisfaction, and save costs, ultimately attracting more guests.
How does the resort work? So first is that browse and discover, sign up or log in, select your stay, secure your booking, confirm, and enjoy. So why we are different from the other booking reservation system is that we have a personalized experience, which is after you reserve, you can create your comment on how is your stay to our resort. So second is the seamless integration. So the third one is focuses and local culture, and 28 is we are 24/7 available. So we have a target market, which is the Cagayan Valley. So that's all. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.